in IKEA. So me and my daughter were one team, Team A, and my son's. Hi guys, so we are here at IKEA. So let's see what's new at IKEA. It's the month of May 2022, just in case you're lost in terms of dates.
Come on, we need to see. Come on, Mom, we need to go. Okay, so first thing first, did you
So they've got this divider. Oh look, this is a ring light, 35. I like this. And we just got bits of the bedroom. I think this is nicely set up. This is a new coffee table. Most of this is kind of old, but I've seen most things before. Nothing new, except for these wicker chairs for about 60. I do like this. It's a nice little nook that they've set up. Works well. I wonder if it's the table outdoor foldable. Didn't see much in the top floor. Now I'm going to head towards the marketplace. The kids have been sent off so I can shop and video in peace, otherwise it's crazy, right? These are £1, so I'm going to pick one of these up. Ooh, Those glasses look new up there. So this is a smaller pot. I love them. And this is the larger pot. Oh, those are cute. Those are cute. This is nice. Do like that. Oh, and these plates. Got matching bowls. So I do love the vase collection. I am after another vase. This one's really nice. Maybe next time. So lots of plants there. Some pot puree for 75p. Love the candles. The smell that comes whilst walking through. So we just got one thing left, yeah?
Yeah.
Just the berry. Look, berries. There we go.
Mum, no, we need a plant as well.
No, that's our moving thing is the cars. But we can. Guys, we had set this little competition in IKEA. So me and my daughter were one team, Team A, and my sons and my husband were Team B, Team U, and the target was the first one who gets to the counters with the 5 items. The 5 items were something green, something that is living or moves, something reflective, a candle that smells of berries, and is that 5 things? And something that begins with B. So we've got ours and they're nowhere to be seen. I just called my husband and he said that, yeah, my son's there with the trolley, and I'm like, no, it's meant to be the whole team is meant to be here. And so he's coming, but we also checked his basket is missing a green toy. 10 minutes they arrive. No, we're gonna check their basket now.
The green toy?
Green toy.
And our green toy.
So you got that. You got 2 green toys. No, it was meant to be 1. So you got 1 mark off. Reflective mirror, a bee for bowl, and something that moves is a clock. A living thing, a plant. So you got another 2 things, and your small berry. Let's check if it's berries. It's berries.
Okay, and then our trolley.
But we still won because you were meant to get only 5 things.
Yeah,
and we got 5 things. You got 7 things. Yeah. So they've got quite a few garden items in at the moment. I'm liking these shelving items as well. Benches. This deck chair is quite nice. So they've got lots of bistro type of table and chair sets.